It was touted as one of the most important tools to stop the spread of the pandemic, contact tracing. The state of Illinois spent countless millions on it, but we wanted to know, how long will that continue? CBS 2 investigator Megan Hickey has been digging into the numbers and joins us live with what she's learned. Megan.
Right, Brad, the short answer is there's no clear end in sight. While vaccination rates have dramatically changed the job for contact tracers, many counties anticipate they will need them for months to come.
There was contact tracing going on.
Will County's contact tracing program manager is hoping that she'll eventually be out of a job.
That is the goal. I actually had recently stopped working and was a stay-at-home mom when the pandemic hit.
Kamal Guharathi said she couldn't stand by and watch during this global health crisis.
I'm perfectly fine with being without a job when this is all over.
Her team grew from about 65 contact tracers to 119 last fall when the infection rates were at their highest. It was a similar situation in Lake County.
We were handling a lot of the more complicated cases.
Adriano Yashar is a medical student and contact tracer there. Grants from IDPH helped fund these efforts across the state. To date, nearly $3.3 million have funded contact tracer salaries in Lake County, and the current contract extends until December. That might sound like a long time, but Adriano says they still have a lot of work to do in connection with unvaccinated populations.
Many of the schools in the county are now off or transitioning to summer school, but if there was a case in a classroom, there are still going to be kids who are sitting around that student who may have interacted with the student in their athletics or extracurricular activities.
DuPage County tells us that over $7.9 million has been paid out to more than 300 contact tracers so far. Meanwhile, the city of Chicago's contact tracing program is federally funded through June 30th, 2022. Their contact tracing program and resource coordination hub received $56 million for 2 years. Contact tracers are still reaching out to every single close contact they can find for positive COVID cases. The only difference is now, if you're vaccinated and don't have symptoms, you don't need to quarantine.
Then it sounds like you don't, at least for right now, don't see really an end in sight for really wrapping this up.
Correct. For at this point, we do still see contact tracing efforts existing to some extent until we get to a much better place where we can comfortably say, okay, we've got everything under control.
Now, the city of Chicago tells us at one point they hired about 600 contact tracers, but those jobs are evolving to include vaccine education and other outreach efforts. Brad?
Megan, huge amounts of money were spent in multiple layers of government. Do we know how much the state ended up shelling out for these programs overall?
So, Brad, across the state, local health departments got about $230 million, and then community-based organizations got another $60 million.
All right, CBS 2 investigator Megan Hickey. Megan, our thanks.